My dad lost his life when he went to work. He never came home. That happened on the 23rd of September 2019. He was 62. I'm one of there's 7 of us, and then there's 13 grandchildren.
Tomorrow there's a memorial.
A memorial, yeah, for all people that have work accidents or have died through work accidents. So we were asked from the HSA would we come, you know. It's been, I think they had a few over the years, but this is the first one we're all attending. There was actually one man, I don't know if I could say his name, but he was very helpful. He was went to the courts, was there for us all the time, all my brothers and sisters, and helped us a lot. And he really fought, you know, in the courts, and they won the case, so we were happy about that.
And who will go with you tomorrow?
Myself, my brother Bernard, and my son Adam is going. This is all just bringing everything back, you know. Just talking about it's just very hard, you know. It's just shocking that someone went out to work and they didn't come home, you know.